Hello there, and welcome to Voice of Reality, where we bring you trending news in South Africa and sometimes outside of South Africa. So please watch this video and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
And after we've beaten African foreign nationals, told them abahambe and turned every African country against us, turned our own neighbors against us. Let me tell you what's gonna happen. Donald Trump will go to the UN and make a speech at the UN and tell them, you see, savages, I told you about these savages. I told you about white genocide. You guys did not believe me. But now look at what they're doing. It's xenophobia, guys. They are violent. They don't want to work with the international community. Let's sanction them. He'll make a speech and he'll say that. Let us sanction them. And when they sanction us, hey, and then they do a vote. Before they sanction us, they do a vote about what to do with the violence in South Africa. And then they say, let's sanction South Africa. They do a vote count. Do you think African countries are going to stand with South Africa? They're not going to vote with us. They're not going to stand with us. We are going to get sanctioned based on the violence from the xenophobia. We are going to get sanctioned. Hey, you guys don't know sanctions. Ask Zimbabwe what sanctions are. At least with Zimbabwe, other African countries were still trying to trade with them, even at small scale. Tina, our own neighbors. Example, Mozambique, Lebombo border, closed. Trucks are not moving in. Closed. That's how sanctions are going to be. Our own neighbors. We are being actively isolated, and you guys don't see that. These actions, they're not going to solve any problem, because what do you expect a foreign national who does not have the control of your economy to do? They can't do anything. They don't have that power. They can't help you like that. But then we are being encouraged to take out our anger on them. And after all of that, when every other African country has turned their backs on us, we're going to get sanctioned for it and we're going to suffer. South Africa will be for the taking, for the powerful. Mark my words. If we don't stop...
A South African lady has come out to call out other South Africans on these violence that we are seeing against foreigners. And she is telling the truth. She is telling the truth because the situation that we are witnessing right now, South Africans are not only against just foreigners, they are not against illegal foreigners. They're against all foreigners. As long as you are not from South Africa, you have to leave. And we have seen them on social media beating people up. That's something else. And there was a time whereby even Ghana had to stand up and say something. I think even Nigeria as well, they had to say something because a lot was happening. But I know that most of Nigerians were on social media crying out loud to say, guys, please help us. This is too much. And for sure, it was just too much to take in. So she was talking about this to say, what if we get sanctioned and now we have turned all African countries against us? Who's going to stand with us? Who is going to stand with us? I just feel like before we do some other stuff, we have to sit down and think about the side effects, because this is not helping in any way. This is not working. Yes, let me just put it like this. Much and much, it is not working. If there is one thing that it is doing, it is destroying the country. It is damaging the image of South Africa. But anyway, please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section.